We like to say ladies first, so do your thing and pull that lever and get you some money. Joker! Joker! Where my letters at?
Snoop, I'm gonna take where my letters at for 300.
For 300, then there it is. Kevin Smith is gonna help you by revealing a few letters in the word puzzle. All you gotta do is solve the puzzle. Roll the clip.
Hey man, see if you can solve this puzzle. The category is dog breeds. Woof. As a hint, I'm gonna give you 4 letters that appear in the name of this dog breed. Here are those letters: D, A, M, N. Damn, what's the answer?